Hello everybody, this is Lily and I will be guiding you through a healthy pizza recipe. First step is to preheat your oven to 420 degrees. Next you're going to grab your sheet pan and drizzle olive oil on it. Here's my pizza dough, it's from Trader Joe's and I'm going to spread it out all over my baking sheet. This is my marinara sauce and I'm going to spread this all over the pizza dough and leave a tiny bit of room for a crust, keeping in mind that it will rise in the oven. I have some vegan cashew cheese alternative and I'm just going to spread this all over my pizza. A topping for my pizza is tempeh bacon. I used the tempeh and I cut that into slices and I marinated it in the liquid smoke, soy sauce, and maple syrup, and then I cooked it, and then that's what I put on my pizza. Another topping for the pizza is going to be a cut up red pepper. I also chopped up a red onion and I placed that on the pizza as well. Here I have some kale and I'm going to put this on top of the pizza, and it is so delicious it forms a kale chip after cooking in the oven. Lastly, I took this piece of basil and cut it up and spread it over the pizza before putting it into the oven for 12 minutes. Now here I am checking it and it looks like it needs a little bit more time, so I put it in for another 5 minutes. Here's the final product, a super healthy and delicious pizza. Let me know how much you like it and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!